Today I'm going to show you different ways of using your Super Boost Skin Tint. If you desire a very glowy and hydrated skin, you can mix your Super Boost Skin Tint with your Hydra Booster Step 1 Primer. You can even mix them together to get the most glowy finish ever. To achieve more coverage, you can mix your Super Boost Skin Tint with your HD Skin Concealer and then apply it in certain areas of your face, like underneath your eyes or in any areas where you have the redness. For me, it will be the cheeks and a little bit around the nose as well. You can use a flat brush to tap the texture. It will add a tiny bit more coverage. To achieve a summer glow, you can use a shade that's darker and warmer. So I use the shade 4 for my whole face, and now I'm going to apply the shade number 8 to achieve a beautiful bronzed skin. Start by applying your mist and fix and spray it in the shape of the letter M so that you cover your face evenly. Follow up with the Super Boost Skin Tint. So the goal here is to sandwich the two products, and the mist and fix is going to grip the Super Boost Skin Tint so it will last for the whole day. So which one of these are you trying?